Do you know the consequences of this abominable act that you people engage yourselves into? What will people say of me when they hear this? That my daughter got pregnant for my son, her older brother? Oh, this is unacceptable. This is totally unacceptable. I can't take this. This brought me to public ridicule.
David is not my brother.
Are you out of your mind?
No, Mom. I know the hidden truth about me. But I've been patiently waiting for you and Dad to open up to me.
What are you talking about?
I'm talking about my true identity. If you and Dad truly care about me, you shouldn't have hidden the truth from me.
What truth are you talking about?
That I'm an adopted child.
How did you get this information?
From the flash that got missing the other day. I saw the pictures in it, the voice notes. I also overheard your conversation on the phone with some man.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.